Hi lovely learners, in this video I'm going to teach you how to submit a class discussion. First you'll open up the assignment number 3 and read step 1. Choose how you would like to submit your discussion post. You may either 1. Type a comment, which is down here at the bottom. Type. Or you can record an audio response. The way to do that is you come to this text box, and instead of typing, you go down to this microphone, you click it, and then you choose audio only. You allow your microphone, and you can start recording here. I'm going to exit that out and see what my third option is. I can also record a video response. So that's also here under the microphone, and you'd click audio and video. So you choose which way you would like to submit your discussion post, and you must answer whether you agree or disagree with these 3 statements and why. Very important. We teachers love to know why. So here are the statements. There's a definition of cruel here if you need it. And then you must respond to 2 others for 10 points each. So total, we're talking a 50-point assignment. And keep in mind you won't be able to see others' responses until you post first. And it's totally okay if you agree or disagree with your peers. Just be nice, okay? Here are some sentence starters for if you agree and if you disagree. Always, when you're disagreeing, make sure that you validate the other person's point, meaning that you don't go in and attack them, but you recognize that, hey, I appreciate your thought, but this is what I think. That's kind of the nature of disagreeing. All right, if you have any further questions, please email me at cparmer@guhsd.net. Thank you all.